Out of Africa, the origins of humanity. Welcome, today we will be sharing with you 15 interesting facts that you probably didn't know about the theory of out of Africa. Our first fact is that the out of Africa theory suggests that modern humans, Homo sapiens, originated in Africa around 300,000 years ago. This theory is based on scientific evidence, including genetic studies and fossil discoveries. Our second fact is that early humans lived in Africa for more than 90% of their existence. They only migrated out of Africa relatively recently, around 60,000 years ago. Our third fact is that the migration out of Africa was not a single event. Instead, it happened in several waves, with different groups of humans taking different routes and reaching different parts of the world at different times. Our fourth fact is that one of the routes that early humans took out of Africa was through the Arabian Peninsula, crossing over to the Indian subcontinent. This route is known as the Southern Route. Our fifth fact is that another route that early humans took out of Africa was through the Levant region, which includes modern-day Israel, Palestine, Lebanon, and Syria. This route is known as the Northern Route. Our sixth fact is that one of the challenges that early humans faced as they migrated out of Africa was adapting to new environments. They had to develop new skills, such as hunting and gathering, to survive in new and unfamiliar landscapes. Our seventh fact is that the out of Africa theory has been supported by genetic studies that have shown that modern humans outside of Africa share a common ancestor with African populations. Our eighth fact is that the out of Africa theory has also been supported by fossil discoveries, such as the 1.8 million-year-old Homo erectus skull found in Georgia, which is evidence of early human migration out of Africa. Our ninth fact is that the out of Africa theory has significant implications for our understanding of human evolution, migration, and diversity. It helps us to understand how and when humans first migrated out of Africa and how we became the diverse global population we are today. The 10th fact in our out of Africa theory suggests that all modern humans can trace their ancestry back to a single population in Africa, known as the mitochondrial Eve. The 11th fact is that scientists have found evidence that the spread of modern humans out of Africa was influenced by changes in climate and environment, which suggests that the diversity of modern human populations can be explained by the effects of genetic drift, natural selection, and adaptation to local environments. The 12th fact is that some researchers believe that interbreeding between modern humans and other hominin species, such as Neanderthals and Denisovan, occurred after the initial out of Africa migration. Our 13th fact is that the out of Africa theory is supported by genetic studies that show a higher level of genetic diversity among African populations compared to non-African populations. The 14th fact is that the term out of Africa was coined in the 1960s by the paleoanthropologist Louis Leakey. And our final fact in this video is that the out of Africa theory has significant implications for our understanding of human evolution and the history of our species. Thanks again. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and we'll see you in the next video.